Hello friends, today we are going to see one grammar's topic, not only but also. Students, the, con- the construction not only but also is called a correlative conjunction. It is used to connect and emphasize two words or two phrases at the same position. I repeat, not only but also is correlative conjunction and is used to connect and emphasize two phrases or two words in the same position. We use not only but also to give more information. It can be used to list adjective qualities, nouns, or verbs, to show complementary qualities or actions, events, and states. Let's see when we have to use not only but also. First thing, we use it when we have to things and we want to give a little extra emphasis to the second thing because it's even better or even worse or more surprising or more impressive or more shocking than the first things. Student, when we show the second thing is more surprising, more shocking, more worse than first thing, that time we use not only and but also. Second rule is the most essential rule to remember about using this sentence is that two part of speech must be parallel. Student, also here we have to remember one thing, that we have to remove to and also from the sentences when we using not only and but also. Here we are going to see two types of not only and but also. First one is use it in the middle and end of the sentence. How to form structure when we use in the sentence verb plus adjective. Let's see the structure: subject plus verb plus not only plus adjective plus but also plus adjective. Let's see one example of adjectives in not only in but also. He is not only handsome but also intelligent. Second, he is not only poor but also unemployed. In this first sentence, handsome and intelligent are adjectives, and in the second sentence, poor and unemployed are adjective. Let's see not only and but also with verb and adverbs. Structure: subject plus verb plus not only plus adverb plus but also plus adverb. Let's see one example. She speaks English not only naturally but also fluently. Naturally and fluently are adverb. Speaks is verb. Second, Mark works not only carelessly but also hastily. Hastily and carelessly adverbs, works verb. Not only but also with noun. Let's see the structure, how to form subject plus verb plus not only plus noun but also plus noun. Let's see one example. I like not only ice cream but also yogurt. Ice cream and yogurt, these are nouns. Next, they visited not only Singapore but also India. Singapore and India, these are the nouns. Let's see not only but also with verbs. First, he not only studies hard but also works well. Second, she not only plays well but also writes music. So students, here we saw not only but also with verb plus adjective. In this structure, we have to use adjectives. And also we saw not only but also with adverb. Also we saw not only but also with noun, and not only but also with verb. Students, Use it at the beginning of the sentences. Not only but also, here we have to use it at the beginning of the sentences. We can use not only at the beginning of a clause and add emphasis. Example, not only are mothers not paid, but also most of their boring or difficult works is unnoticed. In this sentence, we used not only at the beginning. Students, let's repeat some things. When to use. We use it when we have to think and we want to give a little extra emphasis to the second thing because it's even better or even worse or more surprising or more impressive or more shocking than the first thing. Here we also use the most essential rule to remember about using this structure is that two parts of speech must be parallel. What to remember here? One thing we have to remember that remove to, also, both these words from not only but also sentences. I repeat, not only but also is a correlative conjunction and also is used to connect and emphasize two phrases or two words in the same position. Let's see some examples of not only and but also. Some more examples solved for practice. Join the following pairs of sentences using not only but also. First one, Manthan was kind, he was gentle too. Students, these examples you have to solve. Okay. Second one, Bala was sensible, he was kind-hearted too. Third one, Sita composes poems, she sings them too. Fourth one, Leela has a doll, she has a balloon too. In these above sentences, when we used not only but also, that time we have to remove to. And last one, Shankar and Parvati are my neighbors, they are my good friends too. Let's see more examples for practice. Sixth one, she is both clever and active. Next one, she is clever as well as active. Using this not only but also in seventh sentence, we have to remove as well as. Next one, the men as well as the women in India work very hard. Ninth one, the boys as well as the girls like to play cricket. And last one, Helen Keller was blind, she was deaf and mute too. Students, repeat once again what we saw. Not only but also is correlative conjunction and the definition of not only but also. How to form? And we can form in two types. First one is use it in the middle and end of the sentences. Structure, subject plus verb plus not only plus adjective but also plus adjective. Then subject plus verb plus not only plus adverb plus but also plus adverb. Example, she speaks English not only naturally but also fluently. Next one, Marx works not only carelessly but also hesitantly. Structure verb plus noun, subject plus verb plus not only plus noun plus but also plus noun. Example, I like not only ice cream but also yogurt. Structure, how to form verb plus verb. Example, he not only studies hard but also works well. When we use not only and but also, we have to use two things and we want to give a little extra emphasis. That time we used not only but also. The second sentence, the second thing is better than, worse than, surprising than the first thing. That time we used not only but also. What to remember? We have to remove that when we form not only but also, that time we have to remove to, also, both as well as from the above sentence. Okay. Second thing is we can use not only at the beginning of a clause to add emphasis. It means we can start not only at the beginning. Example, not only are mothers not paid, but also most of their boring or difficult work is unnoticed. So students, here we saw not only but also I will give you 10 examples for solving. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay. Thank you.